Good afternoon, good people. Mama Suji right here in the matatu. Guys, it is hectic on this road. What happens when you are rushing somewhere and you find yourself in a public transport and then the road is being constructed and it's a one-way road? Is it one way where one is oncoming and the oncoming and there's an oncoming and then you are ongoing? There's that one called one way or two way. It's one way, I think. Oh, it's two way. It's two way. Guys, it has taken me a long time on this bus. Some are standing, some are sleeping. Just visiting the county of Nairobi. It is taking me more than necessary. Huh? Will I even catch up with what I'm going to get hold of? What do you do? Maybe we just sit, because there's nothing, you can't come out, you are in the middle of nowhere. You just listen to some music. Finally, now we are cruising at I think 80 kilometers per hour. And it's a good thing, because the anxiety now it has gone down a bit. Yeah, we've just passed this place. You can see that's what was causing all the problems. Now we are going. Our driver has really tried. So very soon we shall be at the roundabout, the current roundabout. Yeah, this roundabout takes us to the roundabout after the police station. The roundabout will take us to the Karen hub. The other side, Karen Hospital. The other side, Ngong town. And the ongoing, the one we are on, shall take us to Nairobi city. So at least the anxiety, you don't know, you don't want to miss where you are going to. And yet you've already paid for the fare, the bus fare. I've already paid. Yeah, so we are moving and we are happy. The people who fell asleep, I think they're still sleeping. But at least we are moving. Yeah. Yes, this is the roundabout we are talking about. Yeah. Here we are. You see, this is the roundabout I've just told you about. Yeah, it takes you to KenHA, Karen Hospital, Ngong, and Nairobi. So we continue with our journey. Yeah, we continue with our journey smoothly. Okay, just enjoy the scenery. The scenery is here. People across the road are involved in various activities. Here now we've stopped. Some people are alighting, but you can see the activities in Karen. Yeah. The flow is now faster. You can see vehicles moving faster. But it was deadly behind there. Yeah. You can see a tuk-tuk carrying people. You can see motorcycles, small vehicles, the Ubers. Okay? Yeah. You see? Big trucks carrying sand, stones, just as we are waiting for others to come in. And then we proceed with the journey. Once people have alighted, they don't want to go with the empty seats, despite them having paid. They have to fill it. So we are waiting a bit for the people to come in. The tout has to look for some new passengers to come in. Okay? Yeah. I think we've stayed at this stage. We should be moving. Should be moving now. It's bringing my anxiety back. Yeah. See? Like this one has been hanging. This person here has been hanging. You see, others are still sleeping. Yeah. Yeah, but now we are moving. We started the movement as we go like that. Okay. You see those vehicles in blue. They are for ferrying water. They sell water. Pure drinking water. So they advertise themselves. There are people cooking by the roadside there. A lot of valuable activities. Selling of plants. Selling of artifacts. Nice buildings. Selling of vehicles along this road. See that blue truck there? It's carrying water for sale. Yeah. So just enjoy what you are seeing as we travel. Yeah. Opposite we have Dari Hotel, and then we are approaching Currency. We are approaching Currency Road. That road takes us to the Vice President's residence. So we go like this. We continue moving like that. And so that's the road to Currency, that one you see there. And then we are approaching the church, St. Francis ACK Church, right here, this one. And then the KenHA Power station or depot, yeah, there it is. And then the plants, the pots, very beautiful artwork. We are approaching the Ngong Forest Sanctuary, and we are moving quite fast right now. You can see. Okay, this is lovely. Yeah, I don't know how people sleep in a bus. I don't know how to sleep in a bus. I like viewing, seeing these beautiful things, the beautiful plants, the beautiful flowers. Yeah. So we are getting to the southern bypass is above us. You can see all these branches. Yeah, that is southern bypass. We are under. And it is crossing up. So we are approaching Rescos. Rescos National Beekeeping and Lenana School are famous for this area here. And also the Jockey Club, where horses compete as well. There are beautiful things around here. You can see them. Kenyans are hardworking and very creative. This is what I can say. And people earn a living. They are born here. They take over the business. And the families, great families are brought up from these businesses you see here. Okay. So now where are we? We are still okay. We had a small stopover, so we continue with the journey. That is there's War Cemetery just here. And we are approaching it. Yeah, you can see this that artwork. Where our big five, they are molding them very nicely there. Yeah, so now we approaching War Cemetery. I think so, yeah. We are approaching that place. Thereafter, our new stadium. Stopping briefly here for people to alight and others to come in. But you can see the beautiful things across the road. You can see them, you can see the riders, you can see vehicles. The road is active, very, very active. Yeah. So this is how my journey has been this day. That road there is going to the horse racing field. And we continue moving, guys. Continue moving. I hope we won't stop again. Yeah, because I'm going to connect to another county again. And I'll have to be back. So today, I'm covering 3 counties. Kajiado County, Nairobi County, and I'm going to Kiambu County. And back again. Same day. But now I've spent more than 2 hours. More than and 1.5 hours, yeah, on that traffic. So by the time I reach Nairobi City and pick another vehicle, yeah, that's the war cemetery right there, the one you've just seen, okay? So we continue moving, guys. The driver is doing a good job. As you can see, I'm able to blog. See our wonderful stadium right here, Talanta Stadium. It's supposed to be Honorable the Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga Stadium. Beautiful. It's still under construction, but it's an icon on this road. I'm wondering how it's going to be after when it is officially opened, how the traffic will be, because it's a beautiful place. Yeah, it's a beautiful place and it's a beautiful thing to see. It's good to the eye. So even as you drive, you kind of slow down because you want to catch a glimpse of that stadium. So this will be causing a lot of traffic, but we shall cross the bridge when we reach there. Yeah. So this is how our journey has been. And I just want to believe that we won't be caught on another traffic again, because we are still on Ngong Road. And this Ngong Road, it starts from Ngong town and it moves the way you see it, like this. We pass meteorological. We shall pass meteorological department, the team that focuses on the weather. And recently they said we should expect El Nino in the month of July, August, and September, and again November, December, something like that. Yeah, so there they are. That building you see there, that's meteorological department. And then we move like that. We shall be stopped here, I think, by the traffic lights. This is a flyover, not a flyover, the road, the underpass and above. They are trying to decongest this roundabout. Going to the old Naivasha Road, Kawangware, Ngong, Lavington, and to Nairobi. And so that is the construction that is going on here. So it is nice, eh? We are moving again. Yeah, we're moving again, and you can see the colors, yellow and green there. So maybe the ones from town will be climbing. We shall be told officially how it goes. And the one going to town will be using the underpass. So you can see how we are moving. And here we have a department of Nairobi University right there. Right there, it's a campus. Yeah, you can see our elephant molded nicely there. And as we move, I'm going to close this vlog at Impala or Ligindogo. Impala Club is another famous place here, a club that is famous along this Ngong Road. Apart from, which other place is famous here? Oh, Nairobi Women. Yeah, but Nairobi Women Hospital is famous there along that road. And what else again? There's a new mosque that came in.